Hello friends, it's Satrika Vadari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn about F strings. So let me make a new file, tut9.py. Okay. So here, as you have to print, suppose if I write here user name and then let me pass value Adrika, and you have to write print users name is, and then you have to concatenate username, right? So to write it in an easier way, we can write it like this: print and f. Before writing the quotes, before putting the quotes, you have to write f before that. Okay. So now you can write it like this: users name is, and then you can put curly braces. Remember, you have to put curly braces, and then you can give username variable, and then after that you can put full stop also, and in this you have to write it to put full stop. You have to again concatenate it. So as you can see, it is simpler than this syntax is simpler than this, right? So if we run it, as you can see, both are giving the same output, but it is the way simpler than this, right? So what you have to do is just put f before putting quotes. This f stands for format. Okay, that's why we also call it string formatting. Okay, now if you want to write age and that all, so suppose if you write age equals to 13, now here if you write users age is, and you write age. Okay, so as I told you, integers cannot be concatenated to strings, but here we do not have to change it into a string. Like here what we have to do, we have to write it like this: users age is, and then what we have to do, we have to write it something like this: string and then age. You have to write str and then age, but here there is no need to convert this into str, means string. Okay, see, both are giving the same output, but as you can see, its syntax is longer than this one. It is easier. So this is one type of formatting, but if you want, you can write it like this also. Just remove this, and then after the quotes you can write dot format, and here inside brackets you can write username comma, and here you can give the age. Okay, this will also work, and here you do not have to give f. In this you do not have to give f. See, it is also giving the same output. Okay, so what you done here, you have put f before the quotes, and inside the brackets you have put the variable names, right? But here you do not have to put F before quotes. You just have to write dot format, and then inside brackets you have to give the values. Suppose you have two values, so you have to give two values here. First will automatically shift to first bracket, and second value will automatically shift to second bracket. Now if you don't give age here, okay, you only give username here. So as you can see, it is giving an error, right? So you have to give two values. If you have given two brackets, then you have to give two values. If you have given three brackets, then you have to give three values. Okay, I use this one because its syntax is way too easier and short. That's why. So hope you guys got to know what is string formatting and how to do it. See you soon in my next video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.